Hey folks, this is a new YouTube channel. I have another one that has nothing to do with this. This is going to be all about outdoor stuff and maybe 3D printing and things like that. I hope you enjoy this. I just threw a GoPro on top of a car I just bought for a New Year's resolution. Try something new. Okay, back to an unboxing video, and this is more about a time machine. Of course I was using, 8mm and 16mm video at the time. And then a Handycam came out at the time, a Sony Handycam, a few years after I had my first and only one of these. So that was in the early 1980s from Radio Crap, Radio Shack. So we have a bunch of stuff here that I honestly can't read. It's written too small, and I don't really care. I mostly know that this has got to be far different than 1981 or something, from an item that cost, with inflation, well, several $100s, and this was with insurance for 3 years. Wow, holy crap. It's okay, so here's the background. I have a full-time YouTube channel, which I probably won't ever even reference on this other than right now, but I can't do my other channel due to physical injuries and surgeries from skiing. However, my physical therapist and my therapist here, two of them, they're going to help me along with all this.